Hello, this is David from CarDoc Cornwall. This is day 6 of the installation of the new spray booth, and we're doing several jobs here. We've got the lights to install. I'm installing the control panel for the lift, which is the blue box I was just fiddling with there. Also, we've got to prepare things for the electrician and prepare the extraction units for final positioning. I have to build the components for the chimney for the extractors, and they've come in flat packed format and have to be constructed into square tubes, and boy was that an experience. In the meantime, I'm putting in some hooks on top of the large extraction box, and you can see me working on it there, ready for lifting so we can lift it into place correctly once everything's installed underneath it. Brett is installing the LED lighting system, which goes in the top corners of the side panels. So we'll be lifting those into position, and there they go. You can see them moving around there. I've started constructing the square tubes, and as you can see, it looks pretty flimsy, and it really is. I have to hammer the seams together while trying to hold the thing from sliding around. Then very strong steel connections go on the top to actually give it proper shape. Each one of these tubes took me about 45 minutes to construct, and I cut myself so many times I can't count. Brett's now on the top of the roof. He's sorting out the water-based blowers. This was where we had the issue of the holes being in the wrong place, so he was spending time trying to sort that out. Thanks for watching. Next day is an exciting day when we get to install the electrics and the blowers and extractors. See you then. Bye.